How are you, sir?
I am fine, thank you, sir.
What's your name and what's the name of this beautiful development?
Thank you. My name is Douglas, okay, the proprietor of the development. It's known as Nature Green Court.
Nature Green Court.
Correct.
How long have you been developing this place?
Bit by bit, we've been doing it from 2010.
Oh, that's 10 years.
10 years.
What's wrong with my maths? It's 10 years now.
Yes, 10 years.
So how did it start? Did you start with one and then now you went to the second one? How did it start?
No, we started with 4, a court of 4.
All right.
Then we did another 4. Then now eventually we are doing the last set.
Oh, these are the last ones now?
Yes.
So if you don't get these ones, pole, or you have other plans for other places?
There's still other places. Yes, there's
So,
the future.
How much are they going for?
Currently, they're going for 13 million, and most of them are actually sold.
All right.
Yes.
Including this one we've just looked at?
Yes, this one is already sold.
Oh my lord. So if I want one like this, because this thing is so beautiful, like how many plots are remaining for someone who's interested?
For this court,
Yes.
2 are remaining.
Or 2 are remaining.
Yes.
How about water and stuff like that? What's the arrangement around that?
Well, water is generally a problem in Kajiado, but currently we have 2 boreholes serving us.
All right.
One salty water, then the other one is supplying us with fresh water through reverse osmosis.
All right.
Yes, so there's both sources of water.
So there's no time like there's a total lack of water?
No.
Oh, I'm sure there's also a tank system?
Yes, there's a tank. There's a 1,000 liters upstairs and in the ceiling, and there's a on surface tank, which is normally about 5,000 liters, which we rarely get to exhaust.
You rarely get to use.
Yes.
Do you sell an off-plan style, or someone just has to come with cash? Like, what's the methodology? Because I'm seeing some plots still being developed.
Well, off-plan is a bit tricky, given what is happening in the industry currently. So what we prefer is you come, if you find it not yet constructed, all you do is get an offer letter signed, and we build it for you. Then now you make your payment upon completion.
All right.
Yes, that makes more sense than holding people's clients' money.
Oh, so now it's your money which is more or less committed.
Correct.
Rather than the client.
Rather than the client.
Which is normally the problem with off-plan? Or what do you think about it? And what do you think are the solutions as a developer?
Well, the challenge with off-plan is most of the time financing, the banks throw curveballs at you. So you may commit to a certain duration for construction, then the financing doesn't come through as soon as you had anticipated.
All right.
So with that, the bank will not be seen, but it's the developer who will be the problem.
So the developer is going through his own financing wars.
Yes.
And you want your house. The bank has the money. They are not giving all the money, maybe.
Yes.
Like that's layman in theory.
That's actually what happens.
Oh,
that's
right.
actually what happens. So you find a developer has used the client's deposit to do maybe the foundation. Then the bank financing to continue has delayed.
Yes.
Then now the client wants to withdraw their funds, and yet it's already in the foundation.
That is a sticky pickle. Yeah, that is a problem. Wouldn't like to be in such a problem.
Yeah.
Well, I don't want to be rude, but you look like a very young man.
Thank you.
You know, like it's so amazing seeing like young people that do such amazing developments. Because most of the time you come to such a place and you find,
Old man.
So I guess as a fellow young man, I'm very proud
Thank you.
of this thing. Is the next development gonna be around here or somewhere else?
Yes, it will be around here.
All right.
Yes.
Far from here, or where do you think the growth places are? Isinya, Kisaju?
Well, in the future, yes, Isinya, Kisaju, but in the immediate, it's within a radius of about 200 meters from here. Yes.
At least for the next development.
For the next development for this one.
Oh, okay.
Yes, there's already land, some 2 acres that we are planning with.
All right. That's brilliant. But now what do we do, especially because now the way Kitengela is now really growing,
Yes.
and the way the prices are getting out of reach for like the average young guy who doesn't want to live in the city and wants to live in such a place. Are the prices gonna be off the route, or it's just the market that decides?
No, I think as it is now, it's the market that decides. And one of the biggest cost aspects of housing is the land.
All right.
So for those people who got their land earlier, once they sell, they buy a little further out. Then the cost remains constant.
Oh, okay.
But now, if you want to get land at the current developed area,
Yes.
then the price will go up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's what determines.
All right, fair enough. I'm gonna let you get back to it, but thank you so much for welcoming us, man.
Most welcome, sir. It's been a pleasure.
All right.
Thank you.